number 10. Students constructed this model of a hill by covering sugar cubes with clay. The students placed the model in a large pan and poured hot water over it every day for a week. So let's look at it right here. We see here is your model of a hill. The key over here shows you that this dark stuff is the clay and these cubes are the sugar, and you can almost see how they showed you what it would look like if you could see through it. The little dotted lines show you how the clay is stacked inside, okay? I mean how the sugar is stacked inside. The sugar is stacked inside and the clay is on top of it. So the question says, what does the model best represent? So what does it best represent? This is a hill, and you're starting to see these little pockets in here where you can see the sugar. And as they pour water over this clay, what's going to happen to the sugar when the water gets in these little openings right here? Okay, if you think dissolve, you're correct. The water is going to get in those little grooves and it's going to dissolve the sugar, creating an opening. All right, have you ever seen a place that is in a hill and has an opening? Maybe in an old movie, you saw a little groove inside a hill, and who might stay there for the winter to keep warm or to hibernate? A bear. We call those a cave. So let's see, these are like little caves. So let's look at our answer choices. What does this model best represent? F, a method for removing fossil fuels from hills. Okay, first of all, fossil fuels, we know, coal, oil, natural gas, where do they come from? Not hills, but sedimentary rock, and you would have to show someone digging. You're not gonna, that water running over it is not how you get fossil fuels. You have to dig and drill, okay? So that is not correct. G, the formation of caves in hills. Does this show how a cave, an opening, could be created in a hill? Possibly. I mean, yes, look at that. If they were to pour water over this one more time right now, you would see all this sugar dissolve and it would create a hollow area inside that hill for animals to go and hibernate or find shelter. The formation of plains. Oh, you should remember this from 3rd grade. Plains is a flat land. There is nothing flat about this hill right here. So that is not correct. A method for separating minerals. A method for separating minerals would be like a sieve. Okay. It would kind of be like separating a mixture. You would have that sieve and you would put them through them and the large ones would stay in and the small ones would fall out. You would be separating minerals. That's not what this is showing us. This model is representing the formation of caves in hills. So the correct answer is G.